Okay, we are now live streaming via YouTube. The parties have announced and are ready to proceed with the state of Georgia versus Jamani Raymond Watkins in case numbers 2022 CW 52765. Second case number is 2022 CW 52766. And then we have and let me just for the record clarify the charges for 2022 CW 52765. We have an aggravated assault charge. And 2022 CW 52766, we have possession of a firearm, weapon doing a crime. Third charge, warrant number 2022 CW 52767 for the charge of murder. Fourth charge is warrant 2022 CW 51532, another aggravated assault charge. And then finally, we have the fifth charge, warrant number 2022 CW 51533 regarding a battery. The state is represented by ADA, I believe it is Attorney Mitchell. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
Okay, and then the defendant will be represented by Joe Brown. You may proceed, Attorney Mitchell.
You know, the state's first witness will be Detective, is it Rojas or Rosas?
It's Rosas.
Rosas, I apologize for that. Can I get you to raise your hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're presenting in this preliminary hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
I swear.
Thank you. Can you put your hand down? Would you please introduce yourself for the record?
Detective Andrea Rosas with Clayton County Police Department.
Detective Rosas, how long have you been employed with Clayton County PD?
Approximately 5 years.
And in that capacity, currently you're working as a detective?
Yes, sir.
Were you working that capacity on April 2nd, 2022?
I was.
Detective Rosas, did you respond to a call at 5432 River Station?
I did.
And is that located in Clayton County?
It is.
And what was the nature of that call?
We responded to that location in reference to a person shot call.
And when you arrived on scene, were you the first on scene or were you?
No, uniform patrol arrived first and then they requested detectives out.
When you arrived on scene, what did you find?
Upon arriving, I did notice a young black male deceased in front of the Barba Slab is the name of the barbershop, the incident location.
And was there any witnesses on scene for you to speak to?
There was the mother of the deceased male and a couple of barbers.
And did you have a chance to speak to those persons individually?
I spoke mainly to the mother of the deceased victim.
Was the mother on scene when the shooting took place?
No.
What information did the mother provide you?
She advised that she was informed by the barbers that an altercation ensued with a barber and other clients or another male, but she was assisting us in providing us with video footage from inside and outside of the location.
Were you able
Attorney
to?
Mitchell, I hate to interrupt, but I was remiss in not asking Attorney Brown. His client is currently detained at the county jail, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Would you like he needs to be brought forward?
Yes, he does.
Okay, I apologize.
I wasn't
Yes,
aware
I see
that.
the camera is off. Yes. Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry, Attorney. We need to get him on the camera.
Okay, no worries.
Deputy from the jail, if you could please turn on your device.
Yes, ma'am. Who you need? Judge?
We need Jamani Ramon Watkins. Last name is Watkins, W-A-T-K-I-N-S.
Welcome my happy ass back to safety. All right, that's what Uber's is for. Matter of fact, I think separate cars, they gotta keep your ass.
Oh, wait.
Your Honor, we have to pull Mr. Watkins. If you
Okay,
can
well,
give us
a couple of minutes.
yes, please.
Okay, who do you actually have available? Because so we don't run into this problem again. We already have hearings I know that's gonna go for Kalia Gregory Brown, Contavious Dion Purdue,
We have Purdue, Your Honor.
okay, and then Charles Joshua Rumella. That's
Rumella.
Roumillat. Datavius Rashawn Snyder
Snyder.
and DeJohn Dion Lamar Ties. So those are definitely going to hearing. So we need to have those inmates as well.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes,
Kayla Brown and DeJohn Ties both have co-defendants,
okay,
and that attorney is not present. So I know how Ms. Friedman, and I normally don't object since they're the first time on the calendar, but for judicial economy, prefer to do just one hearing instead of bifurcated hearings.
okay,
But I don't know if there's been any communication from co-counsel on either of those cases. Well, no, Mr. Schoolcraft is on Bell, who was co-defendant in Brown. And I believe he submitted a conflict that he's in to Superior Court. So that one may have to be continued, Judge, one time to
Okay.
allow for the cases to be heard together.
okay.
And I'm not certain. Ty has 2 co-defendants. And I can't remember, Ms. Davis, do you remember the names of the attorneys on the 2 co-defendants for Ties? Ms. Davis? Okay.
If you give me the case name,
Hold on a second. Let me give it
Okay.
who they are. So for Ties,
Yeah.
Ties has Williams. Williams is Chris Stoles,
Okay, Mr. Tolles just logged on.
and Wiggins is Schoolcraft.
Okay.
okay, so those may have to be continued because Schoolcraft has a conflict, correct?
And Reeves, I think is another one. Reeves is also Brandon Lewis.
That's right.
hmm
So you have 2 out of the 4 attorneys on for that case, Judge.
Okay,
Judge West, we're still on YouTube, just so you know.
okay. Thank you.